So you can see the link, right, between the service agreement and service order quotation.
Yeah.
This is agreement is the main agreement about the prices, how much time it takes and everything. That many types of service agreements we'll discuss about. See these question marks as well. All of you are done?
Yes, Ravi.
Right. Service agreements are created based on sold to party and all partners within the sales area. Within the sales area. Next paragraph. All sales orders which are created, sorry, service orders. All service orders which are created within the sales area of the service agreement, system will determine time, price, time, price, partners, into the service order automatically. Into the service order automatically. You also take one more heading, account hierarchies for service agreements. Account hierarchies for service agreements. So what happens over here is, I'll just discuss about write this. Service agreement can be created without sold to party with a common service process which affects large group of customers. Example, a common service agreement is created for all cars but sold to party is mentioned after the sales, isn't it? When a car is manufactured, the warranty and the agreement between the customer and the manufacturer should be notified before you sell the car, isn't it? The warranty booklet has to be printed before you sell the car, not after. And we don't know who is going to buy your car, buy that car. So all of you understood
Yes.
what I'm talking.
Yes. Ravi, can I just give a get an overview in a sense?
Yes.
For a service order,
Yeah.
say a IC agent receives a call from a business partner or a customer, then we raise a service order, right, Ravi? And when a
Yes.
service order is raised, obviously you will check whether that particular business partner has got a service contract or a service agreement.
Yes. Yes.
Now, when you said that
What
a
happens
service
there?
order, no,
What happens? Suppose
sorry.
you're going to go to your service center once you bought your car. First 4 months, maybe that means you have the service for next 1 year. There are free services. So
Yes.
this service order free of cost, even zero service order has to be created
Yes. Yes.
with zero invoice.
But this is all dependent on the service contract.
Yes, the contract, what that means, if he's within the warranty limits and if that service is due, then they'll give it at free of cost.
So Ravi, what I'm trying to understand is, say a customer doesn't have any contract, then a standalone service agreement will be raised, or how it is
Absolutely.
classed there?
The price for that is already there in the system. When you create a service order, it will tell that this is the price for this item. Itemized billing will come.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So
Item
it is
specific
not
price
necessary that service contract, sorry, Ravi. It
Yeah.
is not necessary that a service contract must always exist. A service agreement can be generated on a standalone basis as well.
See, if contract is there, that will take a priority over agreement.
Yes. Yeah.
That's it.
Okay.
So take this diagram. What we're talking about. See, if you can see this. Hello, all of you. You can see this mark. This is actually is referring this. That means he says that all the people. That means, see, this is something you think about Maruti Suzuki or Ford India. So Ford has, you have sedans and you have economy. For the economy cars, they have created all the locations: Delhi, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and under Hyderabad again they would have created other South Indian cities here. So like what happens here is, any sold to party who comes under here, that means if you apply this agreement, it will apply here. That means what? At the head, all these people will automatically copy this, isn't it? This is nothing but a copy control mechanism is talking about. Follow up. Follow up and copy control are same. Isn't it?
Yes.
Any one of you have questions?
So it is basically a group contract for all the
Yes, yes.
all the partners. Yeah.
It affects all the people. So if you can see here, hello, all of you.
Yes, yes.
So this is the black mark. This is understand the diagram, because the diagrams what are given in these PDFs are fantastic actually. If you see this, you'll understand the entire process. You can see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They are 9 sold to parties. These squares are sold to parties. And how many are here?
9.
How many are this? These are also 9, isn't it?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, Ravi, what is saying?
These are also 9. So that means out of that, one sold to party has been picked, because one guy somewhere here has bought this, but he'll automatically get this service agreement. So write this diagram and do this account hierarchy and write arrow mark here. This one, write arrow mark to here. Done.
Yes, sir.
Write this business example. Done. Take this. SPRO, CRM, transactions, take the path, basic settings, and also settings for service transactions. Done. Define transaction types. Go to basic settings, define transaction types. Take this. CMCC. Examples of contract transaction type in the standard system. CMCC, CMGC, CMIC. Write the name and description. Done. Ravi, over.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah. Geeta. Take this. ISTC, telco contract. ISTC. Telco contract. Take this. KM. R3 quantity contract. Then write this. MEA. Outline agreement. But outline agreement is more concerned with sales. Take this. LEAS. Lease contract. These all things you have to analyze. You have to know how they are working. Take this. SC. Service contract. Take SCC. SAP service contract. Value or quantity based. Take SCQ. Service contract quotation. Done. These are examples of service, contracts and agreements. This value and this WA, WK1, these all belong to sales. Okay, they are not for service. Take WV, service contract. WV.
We already had SC, right, Ravi, which is also a service contract.
Yeah. WV is having R3 contract. WV is an R3 contract. But SC is CRM contract. Got it?
Yeah.
Because if you create with CRM, it not directly will not update in the R3, but
Okay.
WV is more preferred.
So Ravi, just one general question. All these transaction types that we're talking are all CRM based transactions, right, Ravi?
Yeah.
So
All are CRM.
and do we need to update in R3 as well, Ravi, simultaneously, or is it just
No, no.
standalone? I mean,
The middleware will take care.
not middleware.
We never do it manually. The users have to see, we have to give them the customized service module with all the possible functionalities. That's it. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
That's our job. Select SC and go to details. Select SC and go to details. Go to general, leading transaction category, BUS 200112. Write that. So quantity slash value contract. So select this one. Service, target value and quantity. Target value and quantity. So that is available, but in this case, it is not applicable because it is already being used. Right, the status object type. So we can leave it empty if you don't want to affect, or take this contract header LCH. That means this transaction side type should apply the contract header. You can select this LCH. You also write special text partner and org profiles have to be created. For service contract customization. So select the same path again. I'm going go to assignment of business transaction category. Select transaction category. Go to customizing header. Customizing header. Write this. Header customization is not required for contracts. Header customization. System will not allow navigation. So don't get, even the system itself will not allow, so you don't need to do the customization for done. Can you see? For other transaction types, the header customization is allowed. But not for contracts. Now simply you can do one thing. Define transaction type, position, second step, select SC, copy as, partner function levels remain the same. This increment item I may change it from 10, and I can also add external member range to 2. It's already there. ZSC 1. Continue. Now go to define item categories. Define item categories. Take these things, take the examples, all SRV1, SRVE, SRVM, SRVP. I think you guys can do the item category determination, right?
Yeah.
I will not repeat item category determination again. In sales, we have already seen what is item category determination. Go to details, go to details, object type BUS 2000140. This is very commonly we use. BUS 2000140. And take this org data profile 9, which is for item in the bracket. Date profile. You can create new date profile, new org profile. Take this. Select assignment of business transaction category. BUS 2000116. Go to customizing item. If you can see this, it is relevant for confirmation. Means what? Confirmation means, for example, there is a car, the mileage of the car has to be confirmed.
Okay, yeah.
Okay?
Yes, got it.
System will see that, the users will confirm it. Then relevant to costs. Write this. Just a minute. I'm in the expense items. Let me get into. I'm in the same. See the difference, this item difference is coming because this is dependent on 116, and you can see the other one SRVE is dependent on, if this number changes, the behavior will always change. You can see
Yeah.
service process, automatically the screen is different, isn't it?
Yes.
Little different. I think you guys are not getting it.
No, got it, Ravi, because it's deep.
Yeah, because this number is, this object type is changing, then you have to, at least you write that.
Yeah.
Customizing item changes according to the object type selected. This topic is not easier like base customization where you have to, you'll directly come to the class without reading, you'll not understand. So select. Select SRV1, go to assignment of business transaction category, select BUS 2000116, BUS 2000116, customizing item, and write resource planning relevance, confirmation relevance. Resource means the people who are required for the repair. Take all these points. Done? All of you. This counter is activated only when you have to check the meters or any indicators. Right. Set this indicator if you want to enable counters and readings in items of this item category. What are counters and readings? Anybody have read the document? Last time I also discussed what is a counter, what is a reading, CR 700.
Yes, yes.
What's the difference between a counter and a reading? Okay, over. This is done. So what is the item category we have discussed till now? SRVE or SRV1, what it is?
Sir,
SR
V1.
V1.
Sorry.
SR V1. V1.
Yes.
So take this SREVO, the transaction type. This is the equation. The service transactions. Transaction type, description, no usage, no group, directly item category. Take this one. Take this equation. This is from the item category group will come from which item?
No, standard.
From product, isn't it? Which type of product? Service product.
Even
Isn't
yes.
it? We're discussing about service.
Yes, sir.
How many kinds of product
Yes,
types
sir.
we have? Categories. Geeta, how many product types we have? 5. In that one of them is service.
Yeah.
So in that service product, if it is NORM, automatically you take this. SCN is the item category which is service plan item, SCN, this one. A service contract item. This is a service contract item. Done. Then go for settings for service transactions. Define valuation types, write all these things. Define service types, define accounting indicators, profile for warranty, questionnaires. This affects all the service transactions and integration. In the integration, you don't need to do all, but this one is important. 3. And evaluation type, service types. This escalation is only in the SLA. SLA means service level
Service level
agreement.
Agreement.
So that is done in a different location, not here. So if you click on this documentation, it will tell, because there is no clock symbol here. Means you can automatically monitor when the SLA parameters has been done. In the escalation management, you can use escalation management to determine any deadline you want. So what he says is, the system automatically generates and sends an email, remind the employee. So this is a separate setting what you can do with a, what he says, assign date profile to item category. Automatically, if the date is not met, it will escalate to, because there is an action based process actually. This is the action profile. Write this, write all the steps till replicate service characteristics. So how about in the evening at 8:30? I'll see like how many of you will come. We'll continue the session at 8:30 in the evening.
Yes, Ravi.
I'll hold the screen for another 10 minutes and I'll stop the recording. Right?
Okay, so Ravi, 8:30 Indian time, yeah?
It's not 8:30. It is 6 p.m. IST.
6 p.m. Okay, Ravi, no problem. Yeah.
So 6 or 7, which is better for you all guys?
It's up to you, Ravi. Evening time, Saturday, no problem.
6 is better. Or till early. See, try to come at 5 o'clock and all of you prepare. Don't come only for the class. I want you guys to prepare well. These topics cannot be understood only on the system. You have to put lot of effort in reading and coming to the class. If you did not read about service contract and service agreement earlier, this class you will hardly understand 10%. You'll only remember the screenshots. Nothing else. That will not help you. Remember that. Long term, you will not remember the subject. You will forget within next 15 days to 1 month. By the time you go to the interview, everything is Greek and Latin. So, will you be online by 5 o'clock? If possible, I'll start at 5 o'clock itself, all of you.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
Catch you back.
Thank you, Ravi.
Right.
Cheers.
వాళ్ళు దీంట్లో ఉందా ఇప్పుడు అందులో అంటున్నాడా అసిస్టెంట్ మేనేజర్ అసిస్టెంట్ to have a career in IT. Manager is CRM business after IT. Good. బాగా ఆలోచించి ఇలా ఈ అమ్మాయి ఉంది కదా ఈ అమ్మాయి వాళ్ళ తమ్ముడు వైఫ్ ఐఏఎస్ ఈ అమ్మాయి వాళ్ళ తమ్ముడు వైఫ్ ఐఏఎస్ గవర్నమెంట్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అలాంటివి వస్తే ప్రాజెక్ట్ గోదావరిగా అంటే అమ్మాయి లంచం తీసుకునే ఆ టైం కాదు ప్లెయిన్ అంటే ఎక్స్పర్టీస్ ఉంటే ఐఏఎస్ ట్యూషన్కి పాస్ అయ్యి ఇప్పుడు చిన్న ఊర్లో అనుకో ఐఏఎస్
అసలు వర్క్లు ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో తెలిస్తే చూపించుకోవచ్చు చెప్పావా మాకు ఇలాగా పోలీసు
నువ్వు అన్నావు కదా పార్ట్నర్షిప్ ఉంటే బిజినెస్ లో కూడా రెవెన్యూ how is SAP market grow అంటే నువ్వు ఐటీ మరి ఇదంతా ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అసిస్టెంట్ మేనేజర్ అంటే
దీన్ని కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం అదే దాన్ని కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకున్నాం
అది ఎక్కడి నుంచి
అయ్యో ఇది వెళ్ళిపోయింది అసలు ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళు యాడ్ చేసుకోకపోతే మనం మాట్లాడలేమా